In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find unlimited Sora 2 invite codes. You probably already know that OpenAI's newest video model, Sora 2, has been released. You also probably know that to use this new Sora 2 model, we need an invite code. Those who don't have an invite code do not yet have access to this model. So in this video, I will tell you, step by step, how to find Sora 2 invite codes completely free. So, without further ado, let's go to the video and see how to find a Sora 2 invite code. Right, so now I'll tell you step by step how to get this done. So, the first step you have to do is install a VPN. You might already know that this Sora 2 video model has so far been released only in a few countries like the USA and Canada. So, if you're someone outside of these countries, you'll definitely need to use a VPN and connect to a server in a country that has Sora 2 access. But, if you're from a country that already has access, you can skip this step. Okay, so now I'll tell you how to install this VPN. The first thing you have to do is go to the site through the link provided in the description below. Once you visit that site, you'll see an interface that looks like this. Here, you'll notice a button that says Free Download. Click on that and install this application on your device. Right, so once you've downloaded the setup and installed the app on your device, you'll see an icon like this on your desktop. Double-click on it to open the app. When you open it, this is what you'll see. From here, select a country that has Sora 2 access and connect the VPN. So, I'll list the countries that currently have Sora 2 access below. Right, so if you've completed the first step in that manner, all you have to do now is come to this site via the link provided in the description below. So, it's from this site that you can find invite codes for free. All you have to do is come to this site and scroll down. So, if you scroll down in that manner, you'll see a post called Sora 2 like this. Click on it. Right, so if you click on it in that manner, you'll see an interface like this. Here, we can see a few options from there. You need to click on the option that says Get Invite Code. Right, so if you click on that, a chat box opens up like this. All you have to do here is copy the message that they've mentioned below, type it, and press Enter. So, I'll send all the messages that they ask for, one by one, in that manner. Right, so if you send the messages that way, finally, you'll see your Sora 2 invite code appear. Now, I'll tell you how to access the newest Sora 2 model using this invite code. So, as the final step, all you have to do is come to the Sora official website through the link given in the description below. So, if you come to this website like that, you'll see an interface like this. Here, the first thing you need to do is click on the Login button at the top. After that, you'll see a new window like this. From here, you need to click on Sign Up for Free. So, if you click on that, all you have to do is simply register using your Gmail. Okay, so once you've registered, you'll see a new window like this. Here, you need to provide your username. Okay, so after providing the username, you'll see a message pop up like this. From here, you need to click on the button, Enter Invite Code. Alright, so once you click on that, all you have to do is copy and paste the invite code we created earlier. Sometimes our invite code might be wrong. If that happens, go back to the previous website and click on Didn't Work to create a new code. Okay, so my second code worked. Now you can see that we've successfully accessed Sora 2 through an invite code. Now, all we have to do is start creating videos through this. Right. So, in this video, I completely explained how to find Sora 2 invite codes for free and how to register for Sora 2 through that. So, how was the video I brought today? If you think the video is good, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends to watch. So then, let's meet again with a brand new video like this. Have a good day, everyone.